Hello students, today we are here to read our third chapter of SST that is entitled Our Basic Food. Dear students, do you know what's the meaning of food? Food which is eaten to fill our stomach. After eating delicious food, we tell to our mama, Mama, I am full. Dear student, today we are here to learn something about our basic food. Let's get started. What's there in highlights? Kinds of food. We are about to study kinds of food. Means how many types of food are here. And bodybuilding food. What is bodybuilding food? When we will read this chapter, we will know about bodybuilding food and protective food. After going through this chapter, we will come to know what is protective food and then raw vegetable and fruits. Do you know raw vegetable and fruits? Raw vegetable which is eaten in salad and fruits, apple, banana, mango, orange and so on. Let's get started our chapter. All of us eat food. Dear students, all of us eat food. But here is the question, why do we eat food? To grow and to get energy. Why do we get energy? To complete our day-to-day routine, to do our all activities, we need energy as to dance, to play, to study, to do anything else. We need energy. And from where do we get this energy? From food. It is necessary to eat food for staying healthy and alive. Dear students, as we know, it is must to eat food. Why do we need food? Because to we stay alive and to be healthy, we need food. But do you know from where we get food? But the thing which is as necessary, do we know that how do we get this food? Do you know, students? If you don't know, to get this answer, we are here. Let's start it. The two main sources of our food are, there are two main sources of our food, as we have many sources of getting water as rain, well and sea, rivers. Similarly, we get food from two main sources. What are they? Do you know? First one is plants and second one animals. We get wheat, rice, vegetable, fruits, pulses, etc. from plants. Dear students, here it is written that how many things do we get from plants? We get wheat. Dear students, we all eat chapatis. You know how is chapati made? With wheat. And we get rice. We eat dal rice. We eat many type of vegetables and fruits. And what do we eat? Pulses as rajma, arhar, like this. These all things are provided by plants. And what do we get from animals? We get milk. We all drink milk. If you don't drink, you should drink milk, because it is said that milk is perfect food. It is complete food. That's why we should drink milk. And how do we get this milk? From animals. And what else do we get from animals? Eggs, meat, etc. from animals. We get milk, eggs and meat from animals. Here we are to study about kinds of food. The food can be categorized as follows. Dear students, food can be categorized in three parts. What are they? First, energy giving food. Second, body building foods. And third, protective foods. Now, we will read what is energy giving food. What is this? From food, we get energy to work and play. The food, now here is written what is energy giving food. Energy giving food is the food with what we get energy. For what do we need energy? To work, to play and to do any other activity we need energy. And we get this energy from energy giving food. And what are the sources of this? They are wheat, rice, potatoes, oil, ghee, butter, etc. provides energy to our body. How do we get energy? When we eat wheat, rice, potatoes, oil, ghee, butter, etc., then we get energy, because they all things are provide us energy. We also call them the energy giving foods. We can call them energy giving food also, because they all consist of energy. Children, look at these pictures. This is butter, and here is it ghee, and this is the picture of wheat, and here is rice, and this is the picture of potato, and this is the picture of oil. They all give us energy to work. Okay, students? Dear students, we are here to study about bodybuilding foods. What are bodybuilding foods? Food is also necessary for our body to grow. As we read earlier, that energy giving food gives us energy, and to complete our all activities, to do our day-to-day activities, we need energy. Similarly, bodybuilding food is also necessary for us. And if we eat bodybuilding foods, then what happens? It is helpful in our growing. When we eat bodybuilding food, it is helpful in our growing. Pulses, eggs, milk, meat, etc. are the foods that help our body grow. And how do we get bodybuilding food to grow? It is available in pulses, eggs, milk, meat, etc. When we eat pulses, eggs, when we drink milk and we eat meat, these things are helpful in our growing. These things are the resource of bodybuilding foods and they are helpful in our growing. Are the foods that help us our body grow, that helps our body grow. They are the foods that help our body grow. They are very helpful to our body in growing. They are called the bodybuilding foods. They all are called bodybuilding foods. And what are they? Children, please look at these pictures. And what are they? They are pulses. They are fish and meat and eggs. If we eat them, our body will grow soon. That's why we should eat bodybuilding foods. Number 3, we have read about energy giving food and bodybuilding foods. Now we are here to read something about protective foods. What are protective foods? Food helps our body to fight disease. Dear children, when disease attacks us, how do we protect us? How can we protect us? With the help of protective foods. If we eat protective foods, we will be able to fight disease. Green vegetables, fruits, etc. give us good health and protect us from falling sick. How can we protect ourselves? If we eat green vegetables and fruits, we will be able to protect ourselves from falling sick. That's why we should eat fruits and lots of vegetables. Therefore, they are called the protective food because they protect us, they save us from disease. I hope you have understood about 3 kinds of food and rest of the chapter will be read later. Bye-bye.